Hello ma'am, myself Avinash Lande and today date is 26 August 2024 and today's topic is iterative statement in Java. So iterative statement or loops are fundamental fundamental construct in Java that is allow you to execute the block of code repeatedly under the certain condition. They are crucial for the task where you need to perform the same operation multiple times, such as processing collection, uh, performing calculation, or repeatedly executing a set of instructions. We will say about first loop. First loop is a for loop. The for loop is one of the most commonly used iterative statement in Java. It provides a conscious way to iterate over a range of values. The general syntax of the for loop is for in parentheses, initialization, condition, and update, and body. So initialization is executed once before the loop starts, typically used to initialize a loop control variable, and condition evaluate before each iteration. If the condition is true, the loop body executes. If false, the loop is terminate. An update execute after the each step iteration, typically used to modify the loop control variable. Next loop is while loop. The while loop is another iterative statement that execute as long as specified condition remains true. The syntax of while loop is while in parenthesis condition and the body part. The condition evaluate before the loop body is executed. If true, the loop body executes, and if false, the loop is terminate. The next one is a do while loop. The do while loop is similar to the while loop, but with the key difference: it guarantee that the loop body execute at least once, because the condition is evaluate after the loop body. The syntax is do while loop is do in the body, and while in parenthesis condition. The condition evaluate after the loop body executes. If true, the loop is continue. If false, if the condition is false, the loop is terminate. The next one is a enhance for loop. The enhance for loops is also known as the for each loop, is designed for iterating over arrays and the collections in a more readable way. The syntax of the enhance for loop is for loop in parenthesis data items collections on body part. The data type of element in the condition, and items of variable that represent the current elements in the iterations. They are collections to iterate over. The next one is choosing the right loop. Selecting the appropriate loop type depends on the specific requirement of your task. Use a for loop when you know in advance how many times you need to iterate, such as iterating over a range of a number or through an array. Second one, use a while loop when the number of iterations is not known in advance and depends on the condition that will be evaluated before the each iteration. The third one is use a do while loop when you need the loop body to execute at least once, regardless of the condition. Fourth one is use the enhanced for loop for iterating over arrays or collections when the arrays collection when you don't need the index and they just need to the process each element. Loop control statement. Java provides several control statements to manage the flow of loops, and the exit loop is immediately Exit loop is immediately break the iteration. That's all about the iterative statement. Thank you.